Hiya guys, welcome back to the channel of the Italian guy. If this is the first time that you stumbled on my channel, so to say, my name is Giuseppe, 46 and a half years old, and I am in keto, in the ketogenic lifestyle for 2 years so far, almost. On July it will be 2 years. I don't believe that keto is a diet that you have to follow for a few weeks, few months, but is a correct way of eating until the end. Anyway, I posted a few days ago a survey, a poll on my YouTube channel, and the recipe that got more votes is the hamburger buns. On the channel there is already a recipe of keto buns, but the psyllium husk I used was really bad because when baking the dough becomes really purple and dark, and I definitely didn't like it. So I bought another brand from Amazon. So in the comments I read that it doesn't make, this psyllium doesn't make the dough dark. So it was, as you can see, the bread turned out really bright. And just a thing, when I shaped the dough, I shaped it in a loaf way, in a loaf shape. So when you do it, just make the small balls and flatten a little bit before baking, and you will have your marvelous, amazing keto hamburger buns. Let's go straight to the video recipe now. So here we are, 120 grams of coconut flour, and I want to show you something. I have got here two packages, pictures of the organic coconut flour here in London, and you can see the one on the right is definitely high in carbs, and I didn't use this one, I used the one on the left, so be careful when you buy coconut flour. Okay, let's continue. So we have 80 grams of flaxseed flour, and then we are going to have 40 grams of psyllium husk. I changed the brand so the dough won't turn purple this time. The baking powder, so I put 10 grams of baking powder. Yeah, and now we have a good stir so that no lumps are left and all the ingredients are blended together. Okay, now is the time to add the liquid ingredients. 450 ml of hot water, 50 ml of vinegar, so to make the chemical reaction together with the baking powder to produce carbon dioxide during the baking. Let's stir first with the spoon because the water is hot, and then with our wonderful hands. Let's keep kneading the dough so that the psyllium and the flaxseed absorb the water, also the coconut flour. Don't worry if you see it cracked. Keep stirring. Keep kneading the dough. Don't worry, it will be absorbing the water eventually, and you have your perfect loaf. If you want to make some buns, you can make them. I used a loaf shape, 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour in the oven, and here it is the bread. And here it is. It tastes really nice. Coconut flavor? No, I can't taste any coconut flavor. And it's really nice. Soft, fluffy, with a crust all around. You can even toast it, and it turns out really good. So I hope you liked the recipe, and stay tuned because I'm going to start a series of video recipes of cakes, Here in England, there are a lot of nice cakes, and I want to make those cakes into keto version. So subscribe to the channel, please. I passed 1,100 followers thanks to you, and I want to reach 5,000. I know the path is hard, the way is hard, but with your support I will definitely reach it. So please comment below, let me know which video recipe do you want to see next, and share the video with your friends and help me to grow. See you next time. Bye.